Hey guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. Before I get started, I wanted to address one of my most recent videos where I talked about using bots. I basically called out someone who in a video said that it was okay to use bots. I still stand by my word. Don't do it. Don't use bots. He since made a video, like a rebuttal video. Please don't take advice from this person, because basically he's saying that you cannot have a successful business without doing things that you're not supposed to be doing. He has admitted that he knows it is against Poshmark's terms of service to use bots, but he still uses them anyway. And yeah, he said he knows for a fact that a lot of the top people on Poshmark use bots. I'm like, how do you know that for a fact? Do they confide in you? He's like, oh, but they won't admit it. Like, how do you know that for a fact? Did they all tell you? Yeah, we use bots. They'll tell you, but they won't tell anyone else, saying like, oh, good luck trying to build a business without using automation software. Like, saying that you can't build a business with hard work, which is the biggest load of bullshit I've ever fucking heard. So, don't take advice from this guy, because clearly he likes to cut corners, likes to take the easy way out of things. And I should have done more research on this guy. I was looking through some of his videos, and one of his most popular videos was how to buy subscribers the right way. And he's talking about how, first I thought like he literally meant like buying subscribers, like buying them, you know, which wouldn't surprise me. That probably is something that he has done, which again, something you can't do. That's actually illegal. That's against like FTC, like that you can actually, that's illegal. He's talking about how you should have like giveaways and contests and like buy your subscribers that way. It's like, dude, just fucking work hard, put out good content, and you don't have to do shady ass shit like that. Like, ugh, I don't know, I'm done talking about this guy. Please don't take advice from this guy, because he really does not know what he's talking about. I wanted to add this. Maybe I'll add this to the beginning of the video. I think I am. I'm gonna add this to the beginning of the video. Okay, so in a previous video, I talked to you guys about the website called Rakuten, and it's a website, it's free to sign up, and basically what you do is you get cash back when you shop online. It's amazing. I just placed, oh, you guys, so excited about this. What is this? What is this? What is this? I don't know. So some of you guys might not know, but my channel started out as a beauty channel here on YouTube. So back in the day when I first started, Lancome Juicy Tubes were like really popular. I had a bunch of them. Well, I saw randomly on Twitter, was it Twitter? Yeah, it was on Twitter. I saw that they brought them back, and I was like, oh my gosh. So my first thought was, okay, Lancome is a little bit more expensive of a brand, so I'm gonna go through Rakuten to see if I can get cash back. And I was able to. I purchased 4 of them, I think it was, and I was able to get 4% cash back because I went through Rakuten. So that's what you do. Anytime you shop online, go to the Rakuten website first, and then go to whatever store you're shopping to through the Rakuten website, and you'll get cash back. Like, it's, ugh, guys, I still don't understand why people don't do it. Like, I don't get it. For the longest time, their referral bonus was $25. They have since upped it to $30. They had originally said that they were gonna end that May 1st, but they've actually bumped the promotion to May 11th, which is awesome. So I'm gonna put my Rakuten link down below if you guys aren't signed up through it. If you sign up, you get your own little link too, and you can get your friends and family to sign up, and you get $30 per person when they sign up under your link, which is amazing. And then you go through Rakuten and you use it and get cash back when you shop online. It's amazing, and it's free to use too, which is great. Let's get into the question. Okay, first question, MVP. I have a question. I love this girl. She said, when the girl asked about her seller canceling, does that make the seller look bad to Poshmark? Like, does that go against the seller if they cancel a sale? Thank you. So I honestly don't know. I don't know if Poshmark keeps track of like how many sales you cancel. It'll look bad to the buyer for sure, and they, you know, might not buy from you again, but I don't know. I don't know if that's something that Poshmark keeps track of. Maybe if you do it a lot, then they'll start taking notes and keeping track, but I do not know. Next question is, what is the new Posh Stories, and would this benefit us? So Poshmark is rolling out something called Posh Stories, very similar to Instagram Stories. It's basically, you can take a video and put it on your Poshmark closet. I don't know like the exact specifics yet, because I don't think it's like officially rolled out. My opinion, I don't know, I feel like that's like extra work to do. No, because you're already photographing your listings, sharing your listings. I feel like posting to a story is just more work, I guess. I mean, I'll try it, but I don't know, those are just my initial thoughts. They see it as a way to like promote new listings. When you like list new things in your closet, you can like get on your story and be like, oh, I just listed this and this and this, which I think that I might use it for something like that. But yeah, I don't know. My first initial thought is something else to do on there, because Poshmark is already a very social app. You know, you're listing, you know, you're following people, you're sharing. There's a lot to do on there already. So to add something else, yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'll try it and I guess we'll see. But like I said, I don't think it's been officially rolled out to anyone yet. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated and let you guys know what I think once it's out. Okay, next question. Thank you for your videos. I love when I hear your girls through the door. It makes me laugh every time. Oh, I have a question. When I go to follow people, there are some of these weird user IDs, like, and then just shows like a bunch of letters. Are these real people or spammers? I don't follow them. Or when I see Posh guest user ID. Okay, so when you see the Posh guest user ID, that's somebody that can buy something through Poshmark without having to sign up through Poshmark. And I don't know exactly how they do that. I think they find Poshmark through like a Google search, and then they like go to the item directly and buy through Poshmark without having to set up an account. I don't know if that's exactly how it happens, but when you see the guest ID or whatever, that's legit. As far as the other usernames go with like a bunch of letters, I don't follow those people either, or I try not to. I do think that they are, you know, spammers. I have gotten a couple people with usernames like that comment on my listings, and it's always like high-end listings. As soon as I list something high-end, which is kind of rare, I don't really have many high-end things in my closet, but I always get a comment immediately from someone with a weird-ass username like that, just a bunch of like random letters, and they're like, hey, I love this item, email me because I want to purchase it. And that right there is a red flag. If anyone ever tells you to email them, don't do it, because it's a spammer and they want you to take the transaction off Poshmark and they're gonna scam you. So yeah, whenever I see those usernames, I just ignore the person. I don't follow them. I don't talk to them because I do think that they are spammers. And last question. I have a question. Do you ever use the wholesale boutique part of Posh, and what is the point of it? I have purchased things from the Poshmark wholesale section. I purchased shoes. 2 different pairs of shoes in multiple sizes. I thought I was getting a great deal, but they took a while to sell, and I know I made a profit, but it wasn't that much. And that was kind of it. I personally think that the wholesale market on Poshmark is expensive. I know that you can find stuff on like wholesale websites for cheaper and better quality. Like I said, I bought 2 pairs of shoes like in multiple different sizes, so I think I bought like a total of 12 pairs of shoes. I think it was 12 or 16 through the Poshmark wholesale market, and I won't do it again just because it's, I don't know, I feel like everything's expensive on there. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.